some of y'all already know this about me and some of y'all don't, but I've been making YouTube videos now for probably about 10 years. Back when I started making YouTube videos, most people didn't know what it was. Didn't know what videos were or how to make one, didn't know what YouTube was. I kind of, up late one night looking for something to do on the computer and stumbled across it and figured out I could make a video and put it up, and I started doing it so my boy down in South Carolina could see what I was up to. And over the course of 10 years or so, I've made about, I think last time I checked, about 12,000 videos. So I got pretty used to it, and I got pretty, good at, doesn't take me too long to make a video. So I was talking to Honey Baby the other day. Honey Baby used to make videos of her sewing projects, and she said she hadn't made one in a long time, and I said, well, why not? She said, well, I just don't like to make videos like you do. And I said, well, you want me to take your video, your film, your stuff and make videos for you? And she said, would you? I said, you bet I would. So last night I made 3 videos out of a project she did for our neighbors down in Georgia. They have a son who's involved in sports, and he had all these t-shirts that he had gotten every year from his different sporting events, like baseball and football and basketball and track and all these different things as he was growing up. And his mom said she'd like to have a quilt made out of them. So Honey Baby brought all these shirts home, made them into a quilt, and took it back down there for this lady. And so she showed me probably quite a few videos, rough videos she'd made. So just in a little while, I sat down and made them into 3 videos on how to make a t-shirt quilt. And she's going to be putting them up on her page, but I just wanted to let y'all know, because some of y'all used to watch her videos when she put them up, and then she kind of went through a long period where she didn't. But, for some of y'all that's interested in seeing what she's up to, I just wanted to put it out there. I think she goes by Trish Peak, but I'm going to double check that, and I'll put it, whatever her name of her page is, when I put this up and give them other videos are up, I'll put that on there so that you can click on that and go to it.